Which shag cut makes you younger? Classic layered shag with wispy bangs. Perfect for fine to medium hair. This signature cut adds instant volume and youthful movement without requiring heavy daily styling. Don't forget to tell us in the comments which style number impressed you the most. Textured wolf cut shag with curtain bangs. Flattering for round and oval faces. Framing features effortlessly while creating a bold, eye-catching silhouette. Curly modern shag with voluminous crown. Designed to embrace natural ringlets, giving mature curls vibrant bounce, structural shape, and a youthful lift. Short bob shag with feathered micro fringe. Best suited for short hair enthusiasts seeking a chic, low-maintenance look that draws full attention to the eyes and cheekbones. Long mullet-inspired shag with razor cuts. Ideal for thick long locks, stripping away excessive weight while maintaining impressive length and edgy movement. Shoulder-length shag with soft face framing layers. Universally flattering for women in their 40s and 50s, softening facial angles and providing an instant anti-aging lift. Pixie shag with tousled crown and tapered nape. Great for fine or thinning hair, generating maximum height on top and creating a fresh, confident neck profile. Choppy medium shag with wispy curtain fringe. Tailored for busy women who want an effortless bedhead texture that air dries into perfection every morning. Don't forget to tell us in the comments which style number impressed you the most. Razored long shag with choppy bottleneck bangs. Complements heart-shaped faces by balancing cheekbone width with soft, jaw-length choppy layers. Wavy lob shag with piecey crown layers. Combines classic long bob elegance with shaggy movement, giving medium hair effortless body and bounce. 70s retro shag with heavy brow-skimming fringe. Ideal for high foreheads, instantly taking years off by disguising forehead lines with a vintage dramatic flair. Disconnected asymmetrical shag with side-swept bangs. Perfect for edgy individualists looking to soften square jawlines through dramatic, eye-catching diagonal cuts. Coily shaggy afro with defined crown volume. Specially sculpted for coily textures to release weight and shape natural coils into an alluring youthful sphere. Feathered shag cut with wispy nape layers. Designed to bring airiness to medium hair, enhancing natural movement around the neck and shoulders. Blunt cut bangs shag with shaggy ends. Combines sharp eye-level fringe with textured lengths, creating a striking contrast that rejuvenates facial features. Don't forget to tell us in the comments which style number impressed you the most. Micro shag bob with short arching bangs. Tailored for petite features, lifting the jawline visually and offering a modern, youthful French aesthetic. Layered French shag with wispy see-through bangs. Exudes effortless Parisian elegance, giving soft movement to natural waves without any complicated heat tools. Mullet shag with spiky crown and long tapered back. Perfect for bold style statements, adding dramatic crown volume, while keeping sleek length along the back. Shag with soft curtain fringe and beach waves. Brings relaxed, carefree beach energy to medium to long hair. Perfect for a fresh, younger, everyday look. Voluminous shag with heavy crown layers and wispy fringe. The ultimate anti-aging cut for thinning hair, building dramatic height at the top and full movement around the face.